What do you think the future of cryptocurrency is? Because I've been following Bitcoin since I think January of this month. January se kar raha hu, like 2 months only, and I think the price has doubled in since January itself. And and I don't know India mein kaise, how is it advisable to invest, or is it legal to invest also? I don't know that, but crypto is doing quite well in terms of valuations and everything.
Karan, I look at it from this perspective. If someone wants to invest in cryptocurrency, let's look at it vis-a-vis investing into the stock markets. And let's go back, say, 30 years ago. Okay, when the stock markets were made, so there are different layers of the regulations of stock market. Let's talk from the very top side. The first thing is the stock markets have a regulator, which is SEBI. Okay, maybe 30 years ago they were not as strong, but today they are very, very strong. Right? They can fine anyone, they can charge anyone with penalties, they can bar anyone. If you would know this guy,
Kishore Biyani.
Future Group, Kishore Biyani, right? He got barred.
I was reading about it, so yeah, I know.
So they leave no one from that perspective. Okay. Does the cryptocurrency have any regulator per se? No, because they are working on a unilateral system. Yes,
blockchain. Sorry, they are working on blockchain.
Every system is a accounts machine.
Yeah.
Okay, they have that.
Yes.
Fine. Let me just say, they don't have a body, but they have a system. Fine. Okay. To some extent, I can agree. Now comes second point. In India, we have National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange, which is the place where this is done. And after that comes the broker who gets it executed. So the bourses or NSE or BSE, in case of cryptocurrency, they are also listed on not Indian but foreign exchanges and mostly in futures format, as I see. Still okay. Maybe we'll work with that. Now here is where I get concerned. What you buy, the third level is that of a stock broker from whom you deal. Now a stockbroker can and has gone bust in the past. We know many. For that there is CDSL and NSDL to interlink, safeguard or vault your money. There is no such thing. When you buy from any platform which might be associated with a certain bourse, which has the backing of blockchain, I am assuming all of that is okay. I don't know much. But what about the integrity of the platform through which you are buying? That's one.
But tell me something like China. China has taken out cryptocurrency in their particular I think RBM क्या था? China currency. RMB का crypto version उन्होंने निकाला है. So investing into something like that, because Chinese currency has over the last 1 year has almost given 15, 20, 25% return if you invested in currency itself. So I think it's
central backed, that's my concern.
Yeah.
Blockchain is not central government backed, which is now the biggest concern that I have. They don't have a vault, and after that they are not sovereign covered either. If the sovereign tomorrow says and RBI is already having a very strong view on that, and they're going to get the Supreme Court. So Indian financial management, you can say ministry and RBI and the Supreme Court, they are not in line. We don't have a vault. I'm saying कितना भी return आ जाए, लेकिन आपके पास जो आप hold करते हो, अगर आप वही नहीं secure कर पा रहे हो, what's the point?
Yes.
One, you cannot put a lot of money in it. Second, the money you put will be speculative. And that small part of speculative income will not have a big impact on your total wealth. So one should think on sustainability and security more than immediate gains. And I'm sure, even if I personally believe that whatever does not create real value for you is not something that's going to be out there for very long. So till the time Bitcoin does not establish itself as something that actually provides a real value, like our currency is the mode of exchange, right? But Bitcoin per se is more speculative than a value-driven. उसकी बस value बढ़ रही है, but in real life value is not adding much.
Yes, yes.
So until it comes to that point where it is stable enough, acceptable enough, secured enough, and adds real value, I don't think it's ज़्यादा देर चलेगा भी. And this, I just posted this on LinkedIn a couple of days ago. I said either I'm totally wrong with my viewpoint, or this is going to go down as the biggest shamble of financial crisis only for the crypto investors or the people in that industry. Because the moment US Fed says or RBI says कि भाई बहुत हो गया बंद करो, then what's going to happen? And RBI doesn't like it. अब इंडिया में रह के वैसे भी regulator के और you don't want to come on the good
radar of it.
Regulator.
Yeah.
इसके पास ज़्यादा पैसे आ रहे हैं ये क्रिप्टो में लगा रहे हैं.
Yes, yes, yes.
तो मतलब you want to play जहाँ पे RBI आपके साथ मैच नहीं कर रही और ऊपर आपको दिख रहा है वो खुद ही आपस में वो नहीं resonate नहीं कर पा रहे. It's a very
unsustainable kind of.
तो फिर ऐसी चीज में दिमाग क्यों लगाना, ऐसी जगह लगाए जहाँ पे लॉन्ग टर्म भाई आप you ideally want to invest and forget. That's the best thing you can do.
Yes, yes, yes.
Right? And that gives you stability, that frees up your mind. You don't want something जिसमें कमाई चाहे आपको 50% भी हो जाए लेकिन आप ज्यादा पैसा ना लगा पाए, उससे ज्यादा आपका बिजनेस ऑलरेडी कमा रहे हैं. So
Yes.
don't want to give this a hassle नहीं create करना आपने. That's what I think about it. But then again, someone who wants to go for the thrill of it is open for everyone to do.
Yeah, obviously. But it has taken a huge swing, I think. Huge swing it has taken.
So there is this Dogecoin that has come out that is also on the same lines as early Bitcoin. There is Ethereum, there is Litecoin, there is Bitcoin per head. All of these are and it's expanding. So I'm just curious to see while it does not add much value and it's expanding, which means that the upsides maybe on the bigger coins has gone. Maybe छोटे वाले coins में they're trying to do the same thing. मेरे को नहीं आता समझ. I don't see where this is heading.
But in terms of valuation, Bitcoin is valued at 200 billion or something like that, right? Crazy amount of money. And
question है ना, because it's not physical. How would you define?
And I don't know. I was reading. I was watching a YouTube channel saying that in Singapore they have started with Bitcoin ATMs and all that stuff and everything.
पहले भी थे US में.
अच्छा. So in terms of acceptance, because earlier the challenge was that you buy Bitcoin and how do you spend that money, even if it goes up in value. So now slowly, steadily, like I believe Amazon has also started in US accepting Bitcoins, or some company has started.
Tesla has, but that's just one company. Although it's one of the biggest in the world in terms of automaker. But the idea is one person's idea.
Yeah.
If Elon Musk के आप equation से हटा देते हो, that's everything done then.
Yeah. Chalo, anyways.
Good to play with. Maybe not something sustainability is that's what my last viewpoint is.
Okay.
I'm not putting my hand into it for sure.